Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today we are going to see about how to connect multiple database using Python Fast API. First we need to activate the environment, create an environment using this command. After that activate it. After that install Fast API and push freeze everything to the requirement and install the required uh, install required databases database connectivity and now we have to see database connections. For each connection, we have to provide each function to connect to the Postgres server, MySQL, and MongoDB, etc. And on models, we have to create table names for that, and schemas, we have to create a schema for MongoDB. Okay, first in main.py, all the APIs are given. First MySQL routes and MySQL and slash items. First we have to run the code. After running the code is successfully run. We have to check the APIs, SQL, get, okay. Two data are available. You can check it in the MySQL also. Until that we have to check the code. Now we have to create a new one. Let us create a new one. And now next update the code first. We need to update it to update the name. Now get the data which is supplied same from database. So like this items. Yeah, get the data and now you have to check the Postgres that's the same thing and you have to update the ID. It's updated. Now you gotta view the data updated coming. Same thing for MongoDB also. Data already is present there. Now you have to update it. Data updated. Now you got to view the data. Okay, updated data is present there. That's it. Now we got all the collaboration, okay, fine for every MySQL and MongoDB and PostgreSQL. Now that's it for today. Thank you for your attention. And if you want, if you want, if you like my content, please like and share. And if you want more data, please subscribe to channel.